Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Undertale mods on Nintendo Switch. First, it is crucial to understand that modifying your console involves installing custom firmware, which carries inherent risks. You must verify your Switch model's compatibility with current homebrew methods. Always create a complete backup of your system's data before proceeding with any modifications to safeguard your existing games and saves. This initial preparation is vital for a smooth process. To begin, you will need to install custom firmware, such as Atmosphere, onto your Nintendo Switch. This process typically involves using a computer and a micro SD card. Ensure your SD card has a minimum of 64 gigabytes of storage space to accommodate the necessary files and any mods. It is also essential to format your SD card to FAT32 for the best compatibility with homebrew applications. Once custom firmware is installed, you can access homebrew applications. These tools are essential for managing game files and installing mods. You will typically transfer your desired Undertale mod files directly to the appropriate game directory on your SD card. Always double-check that the mod is compatible with your specific version of Undertale to prevent any issues or crashes during gameplay. With the mod files in place, you can now launch Undertale through your custom firmware environment. After starting the game, take a moment to confirm that your installed mods are active and functioning as expected. The Undertale modding community offers a vast array of creative modifications, from new character sprites to entirely new storylines, providing countless hours of enhanced gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.